Hey everybody, Jeff here, and I wanted to bring you all up to speed because you guys are all of my followers here. I wanted to bring you up to speed about that huge new Craftsman giveaway that they're doing over at Sports Clips. Now this isn't a commercial or anything, they're not sponsoring me, although I think they probably should. But anyway, just because I go to Sports Clips once in a while for a haircut, so I got this email about this giveaway. They're giving away for Father's Day 2019, they're giving away this big old Craftsman storage unit. It's a 41-inch wide, 10-drawer unit filled with tools because it wouldn't make any sense to give you one with nothing in it. Okay, and so they're giving that away with a bunch of tools, and I think something like a year's supply of haircuts at Sports Clips. So anyway, if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how you can get 54 entries in, because the days of giving one entry in a sweepstakes are long gone. And you know, I always care about you guys, and I always try to show you how to get the best, save the most money. And today, if you just hang out towards the end, we'll show you how to get all 54 entries in. So let's take a look at what we need to do to get going on the giveaway. So the way I found out about this was I got this email the other day, and this is what came in the email. Was this announcement here about this Craftsman giveaway. So naturally that intrigued me, and I said, let's find out, let's click on it. So I click on it, and I'll put the link to that down in the description below, so you can just click directly on it to go to the page to sign up. Okay, so once you fill out the entry form online there, then this next screen comes up here. And it shows up in the upper left there how many of your entries you have so far and how many days you have left. And then down here on the right, you can see there's all these different entries that you can do just by, like, for example here, if you retweet Sports Clips on Twitter, all right, they'll give you 5 more entries. So a lot of these are pretty simple enough to do. So if you have Twitter, you just click on the retweet there like I just did, and it comes back, and now it's spinning and says, yep, they're done, you got 5 entries. And this is how you do it. You just go down the line there and pick the ones you want to do. So let me visit Sports Clips on Facebook, and I'll go over there to their page and come back. And so this is how marketers are getting smarter these days. They get you to go to all of their social media platforms and click this, retweet that, and they'll give you extra entries into their sweepstakes. So here's one that said go visit the Craftsman Club, and so here we are, we'll do that. Okay, so here's a better zoom out here showing all of the different things you can do to gain different entries. I choose the ones that have the highest number of entries first. So here, I'm downloading their app. I actually use it to check in before I go get my haircut. But, so I do that, and I got 10 entries just by downloading the app. And let's see, what are we doing here now? Oh, so now if we visit them on Instagram, so we go to their Instagram page, done that. We come back and it gives us credit for that. So you can just pretty much go right down the list there and start banging them out one after another there. And this is how you can get up to a total of 54 entries here. So I went to their YouTube page there, got an extra entry there. We can go watch this video on Facebook from Eric Jones. See if we can fast forward it to the end. Hey, that worked. Okay, I got a few more entries there. So now, let's see. We did let's try the Craftsman Facebook page here. We do that. Go back, hit our continue button. And you can see I'm already up to 43 entries. That didn't even take 5 minutes to do all of that. So we're off to the races, folks. And at least if I don't win, hopefully one of my loyal followers like you folks might stand a chance. Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel where we teach you how to do world-class remodeling on your kitchen, on your bathroom, and how to do the most difficult repairs around your house. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed before, you want to hit that subscribe button down below there, and then click the bell icon next to it. Why? Why do you want to go through all of this? So that you'll be alerted every single time we upload a new video, because let me tell you, you do not want to miss a single one.